Hey guys, Dr. Matt here, back again for another Wellness Wednesday. Today I wanted to highlight a post that we had on our Facebook page a couple days ago that lists several food options that are heart-healthy foods. And this list kind of showcased that there are a variety of great options out there. I've even listed in our description below a recipe that my wife makes of energy bites that incorporates several of these ingredients that you see here. And I want to encourage you this week to try to take one or several of these and start to incorporate them into your weekly or monthly meal planning and start to add some of those heart-healthy foods. We'd also love to hear what some of your favorite heart-healthy recipes are. Please feel free to share and comment those below. Hope you guys have a great week. We'll see you next Wednesday.
Everybody's moving, everybody's moving, everybody's moving, 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 moving. Everybody's moving.